Did you get the dogs fed?
Yeah.
Did you give them fucking water?
Baby, yes. Why the you keep slamming the door?
That's fine, okay. Jesus. I was well loud. How are you gonna break the door?
Hey, what do you want?
Just the earpiece is
Just
fine.
okay. Did you want a drink or not?
Yes, did you get it right? Alright, it's over. Hold on.
Well,
Yes, we can go to Target. Oh my god.
Here.
Come here.
Chips, whatever in there. I'm hungry. And I just... Slam my door again!
no sugar. What are you doing, woman?